Good day everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper channel. This is Talali with you, and I'm going to take you today through the update of the last day of the month. Today our update is going to be for the 30th of June 2021. Overall the month was excellent, despite the fact that there were some negative days, and that's expected. The most important thing is to have the overall picture, and the overall picture is good. As you can see, I will be providing a separated video during the weekend about the performance of June, and I'll compare it as promised earlier to May and April as well. For those who are listening and watching us for the first time, our basis first is to start with an equity of $10,000, and each trade has a share size of 3,000. Commission trade, that depends on your broker, but my broker is giving a commission per one trade at a value of 3.95. So if I open a position, it will be at 3.95, and I will pay another 3.95 when I close a position, in addition to the swap and other costs or fees. Our setting for the stop loss or stop exit is minus 3% from our entry level, and our take profit is targeted to be 7% of the entry level. Let's look into the calendar and see what was Wednesday's performance. There were 16 trades winning out of total 41 opportunities appeared on our screener. Total profit of winning and losing trades is $2,836.20, with an average gain of $69.18 per trade. I'll explain these in details, but the winning rate is 39%, which is better than the usual average. Exceptional is this day, Friday or the 4th. Before I take you through the top gainers of Wednesday, I will share with you the result of the top 5 of Tuesday, and I have a message to share with the audience here. See, the top performer on Tuesday yesterday was only performing halfway, in less than the midway of the performance of Tuesday. Let's look at AUUD. Similarly, see where was it on Tuesday, and see where it was or where it is now as of the close of Wednesday. Moving to FWP, exceptional here, but no significant moving upwards. It just survived and made a very little increment compared with Tuesday. IFBD was lower than Tuesday, and last but not least, HQ is an exceptional. I look at it. It continued from the moving average of 9 days to the moving average of the 20 days. The message here is that if you don't respect the take profit and the stop loss, you might enter, or you might end up really into big losses. Imagine that you entered here and somebody became greedy and did not close the trade with 7% gain of 8.11, and somebody became greedy and decided to stay until it reaches 10, for example, which never happened yesterday or on Tuesday, and the trader was really hoping that the progress will continue and a similar performance will happen on Wednesday and the next days, and the FOMO, again, fear of missing out opportunity, might happen here, also take place, and then somebody might not end up only losing the 3% that we put as a stop loss, but might also lose more than 50% of the investment of the capital of the 10,000 in our case that we started with. So guys, watch out, this is serious. We need to respect the 3% as a stop loss, and we need to take our profit of 7%. 7% is not easy to get in per day when you are trading, really. So that's a quick message. Let's move on with our results for the day of Wednesday. Here you can see the top performers, were, as you can see, we start with, sorry, again, let me expand this one. Alright, now we're ready. Again, as I highlighted in yesterday's update, if you are interested in seeing also the least or the worst performance, also we can talk about these. But let's just focus on the top 5 to save time and make this daily update smooth and quick. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to EZGO. So we will start first with Lrmr. You can see here that on the daily it had consolidated for some days after it broke the exponential moving average of 9 days. Then it started to make some performance and upward trending, trying to test the moving average of the 20 days moving average. So we will wait and see. Sorry, I beg your pardon. This is the 50 days moving average on the daily. So we will see how it will work today. I mean on Thursday and Friday. The trade or the opportunity appeared at 12:46 and it lasted for 30 minutes almost, making our 7% from 9.13 in a perfect entry, very perfect entry. You're taking your position at the beginning of the upper movement, so that was very, very good, actually, at the breakout of the consolidation. So that's a very, very excellent entry point and excellent also stop loss, lower than the moving averages. When you reach this one, it is a confirmed downtrending. So $1,917.30 in one trade, which is 20% almost from our $10,000 that we started with. Okay, I think it's a clear one, and I'm positive that this will have some more, but I don't want to contradict my message that I gave at the beginning of this video. Be careful, take your profit, stay outside and just watch. You don't need really to be in the trade. Wait for other opportunities. Opportunities, as you saw today, was only 40. And every day the opportunities are in that range. So here you can see that the least opportunities that appeared in this month was 21 opportunities, and 6 opportunities were winning. 22, 6 opportunities, 21, 6 opportunities. Here 25, but 4 opportunities. That's still winning at the end of the day. Alright, so let's move on. Next is IPW. And IPW is one of the trades that if you enter and wait for the next day, you might end up losing. Excuse me. So here, see the opportunity happened in 1 minute only. You made your 7% from 8.03 all the way to $8.59 in one candle. Here we go. Boom. Okay. No testing for the of course stop loss here, and it was an upward trending one, so that's a perfect one. 1 minute, $1,686.30. Perfect. Almost 16% of our initial investment in 1 day. Moving on, GNLN. Excellent day. 7%, 7 minutes. Perfect. So, excellent entry, of course. And that was, by the way, the top, the highest, almost at the highest range of the daily range, you know, at the higher side, I meant. So $1,047.90. Next is Blin. You can see the gap up and the 100% change in the price. For the greedy trader, this will be definitely a losing trade for Thursday, because if somebody enters and decided to continue again shooting for 10 without telling or determining the exit. Okay, here what had happened is only you got 7%, but for the expert trader can make out of this 100 easily 30%, and that's by entering. And I don't recommend this for beginners. I only recommend this for traders, expert traders with caution really. Here you will not lose if you are trading with moving your stop loss. So if you started here, okay, and in 2 minutes at the same candle, your trade, you started here 4.88, and then here at the very beginning your target was hit, or was really, you got your target, your 7%. Okay, you can easily enter again, okay, and keep your stop limit here, and then be careful when you reach here. Maybe you can raise it here, but it will go down here and you might lose your position, which will be which still will be okay, because still you will have your 7%. It will not be a problem if you exit at your entry. Maybe you lose only the position, the commission, I mean, and the swap. Then from here, if you enter again when it tested the stop loss, the moving average, sorry, the 20 days moving average, you can enter here and keep your stop loss lower than the moving average, which will not tested here, as you can see, and it continued. So you can make easily another from 530 or 560. Your stop is at 528, and then you can easily reach to the $8. So that's a big percentage, really. Okay, last but not least is EZGO. I think this is promising and it might continue, but again we can easily take our 7% between 10 a.m. and 7 minutes to 12:53 p.m. and that's a good 7% also. The entry happened here. Excellent entry, although it went down. The only trade that went, or the only opportunity that went down lower than the entry position today was this one. So it showed some slowness, then it made its movement to the target. So that's it for today. I took longer than they expected, but I hope that you enjoyed it. I had to deliver the message at the beginning to avoid or to really help in not falling in such positions or situations when you are trading. I don't like when somebody sends to me that I entered, for example, in this trade, and I entered at this position, and then the market opened the other day and it was closing the gap going down, and I lost 70 or 80% from my profit. The screener is strong enough and you are expert enough to make your position and make some profit. Please work only on the only factor that is remaining, that is the other you when you are trading. Thank you for your listening, and happy trading, and see you on the live trading today. Bye bye.